Hello, and welcome to my MuseScore tutorial. Guildfully gives us the composer title, tutorial, and then we're going to go to the next. We'll choose our instruments. I'm just going to go with the just B-flat trumpet. And then we'll go no key, open atonal, say tempo of 120, why not? We'll add a pickup measure, because why not measures? Let's make it 10 measures. And so we have pickup measures, so these are the rhythms right here that allows us to do the note input. So like it'll tell you how the note, it'll show you how the note sounds. Just putting something random together. And then I'll put in a measure of rest, and then we'll see how this sound. You can just click on this, and then you press this play button right here. And then we can just add, and then there's a bunch of stuff you can do over here. I'm gonna make this right here forte, and this piano. Then you have lines, which has a bunch of crescendos and slurs. Then you can make this a big old crescendo. Then you can see how it sounds. And then, as far as this goes, I'll make the N forte. bunch of dynamic contrast. And then you can add like stick. Then there's articulations right here. Okay, articulate. You can add trills. I'm gonna add a trill to this note. Then I'll add a fermata to. Dang it. Then you can add fermata to a note, so I'm gonna do that. Do that. Then I can make this lifted. I can make that house top. I can make these accented. As you can see, I'm just dragging my mouse over the thing. Dang it. And then I'll make these last couple notes staccato. You click and drag them, by the way. Let's make this really... So let's see how it sounds. Let's add some more trills. Let's make that fermata trill, can I? I can't. Let's add a bunch of trills. Trill, we can add like a decrescendo. We can add a crescendo here. And then there's like repeats and jumps. I'm gonna add a repeat. Breaks and spacers. Beam properties. You can add text. Tempo. There's a bunch of stuff you can do. Bar lines. You can add a repeat or make this repeat. Change this. There we go. So you can do that stuff. And then you can make this more specific. Or remove this. You can just cut it. And I'll cut this note too. Then you can go back to here. Note input. Then you can see how it sounds. I'm gonna cut that dynamic and I'm gonna make it a pianissimo and then crescendo it. Where are my lines? There's my lines. Then I'll make it crescendo into a forte. Make it this a mezzo piano. And then I can add a trill to that if I want to, which I do want to, so trill. So much trill, everybody likes trills. And you can remove that trill. And that trill. Crescendo into a mezzo piano. There, mezzo forte, I mean. Then we can start here. And then you can like add a thing here. Trill. Much trill, very well. Can I not add a trill to you? I want to add a trill to you. There we go. Start back here. Let's add a trill to the B here. And that's our score. I'll give it a more fitting name than tutorial. How about Birch trill. There we go. And we'll save online. And now it's online. It's being processed. So yeah, that's my score. So I'll put the link to the score in the description possibly. But enjoy. Enjoy your MuseScore stuff. Goodbye.